Rabbithole.chat is a website that allows you to dive into any topic and essentially explore it as deeply as you'd like. As the name suggests, you can find a topic or think of one and essentially go down the rabbit hole and start discovering new things about that topic. If this is your first time here, my name is JI and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use one of the example prompts they've got. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create my own prompt here and I'm going to say, tell me about how AI first began and how we got to where we are today. Okay, cool. So in just a few seconds, it's already given us quite a bit of information about how AI first began, talking about Alan Turing on computations and machine intelligence, his Turing test. Okay, it's talking about image recognition, natural language processing, speech recognition, deep learning, all these sort of things. And here we've got a few follow-up prompts. So what were the key challenges faced during the early stages of AI development? How did the transition from symbolic reasoning to machine learning impact AI research? And what are some potential future applications of deep learning that we haven't explored yet? Actually, this sounds pretty cool. So what I'll do is I'll click on that. And you can also click this button to ask for a follow-up. So yeah, this is a great way to really do a deep dive into, let's say, any topic you're interested in. And then we've got some answers here with regards to new applications of deep learning. Personalized education is definitely going to be a massive one in the future. Advanced materials discovery, interesting. Climate change modeling, drug discovery. Yeah, I know there's going to be a massive use of AI in medical and in healthcare. Precision agriculture, yeah, that makes a lot of sense as well. Cool. So yeah, this is definitely a nice and sleek website to use. It seems quite intuitive. I think you get about 3 searches a day, and yeah, it's quite a useful way to just get into any sort of topic you've been meaning to discover. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.